everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 28th to the 1st of August 2023 on Monday. Lucy doesn't think she can do what being asked of her. Nkosi Yabo is thrown when a prominent minister calls him up. Ayanda finally tells her friend the truth on Tuesday. Guilty Mbali is determined to make things right. Did Fikile go too far by standing her ground? Anathi is happy he got what he wanted, or has he? On Wednesday, Bele put his foot down, leaving his new ex-friend close to tears. The tenant realized Mpho is playing them. Zikhona let an unwelcome cat out of the bag on Thursday. Seems flattery will get you anywhere with Cosmo. Lucy is touched by a goodbye she knows is for good. Paul has even more bad news to relay on Friday. Mreza is worried about his son, how his son is coping. Fikile flips out or slips out of the bed in the early morning hours. What is she up to? Luyolo is increasingly worried about the new landlord's plan. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.